If you watch this video to the end, I promise you, even if you are just starting out on the piano, you'll be able to play about 15 plus gospel songs with just one single popular chord progression. And this popular chord progression is called the 4156 chord progression, also known as the Fa, Do, Sol, La. Just before revealing the songs, for you to play all these gospel songs I'm going to be revealing as a beginner, you need to understand how each of these chords in this chord progression relates to the piano. Okay, so you need to understand what we mean by the fourth chord, the first chord, the fifth chord, and the sixth chord on the piano. And that actually depends on the key you are in. So for example, let me pick one of the simplest key that most beginners are tuned to, which is the key of C. Okay, so this is the C major scale. Okay, so what do we mean by the fourth chord in the key of C major? So the fourth chord is simply going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, which is this chord. This is the fourth chord in the key of C major, made up of F, A, and C. The first chord is going to be simply this, which is C major chord. The fifth chord is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is G major chord. And finally, the last chord, which is the sixth chord, is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, which is this chord. That is A minor chord, made up of A, C, and E. Having known all this, let's now review the gospel songs that you can play with this chord progression, even if you are just starting out on the piano. An important variation worth knowing about this chord progression is that the first chord in the key of C, which is this chord, that is C major chord, can sometimes substitute the sixth chord, which is this, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So sometimes the first chord can be used in place of the sixth chord. And here are examples of gospel songs that use this variation of this chord progression.